Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message from Google Sheets using Pabbly Chatflow automatically. So here, I'm an owner of a business and I'm maintaining the details of all my customers with the help of Google Sheets. My objective is to send personalized WhatsApp messages to each of the customers to connect with them instantly. And for sending the WhatsApp messages, here I'm going to use a new feature of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which helps us to send WhatsApp messages in the template format, in the personalized format effectively to all our customers. And now to automate this entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to all my customers from Google Sheets, I will have to build a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Chatflow. And that I'm going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that let me take you all towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages to all our customers without any manual efforts, that too in the personalized format with the help of Chatflow. So Chatflow is an amazing and a new feature within the Pabbly ecosystem, which is designed to help automate conversations and workflows through messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or other communication channels. So here with the help of Chatflow, you can send customize WhatsApp messages in the form of templates to all your customers, and also you can receive the messages from your customers in the form of inquiries. And this is going to enhance the experience of your customers, which will engage the customers and definitely increase your productivity as well as growth. Now, how we can automate this entire process in such a way that all the customers which we have in our Google Sheets are going to receive personalized WhatsApp messages. And also if I'm going to add a new customer over here in my spreadsheet, the message will be sent to that new customer as well. To automate this process, we will have to set up the connection between Google Sheets and Chatflow. To build this connection, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. As I've told you, we are going to use Pabbly Connect for this. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks for work without any coding and any programming skills, simply by integrating our work applications. So today, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will set up the connection between our Google Sheets where we have the details of our customers as well as Chatflow. Now, to start with the process, you can see we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, you can see we are on the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Here we have Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, and here only we can find Pabbly Chatflow as well. Currently, because to automate the process, we have to use Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to click on access now. You can access Pabbly Chatflow also from here only by clicking on this access now button. Now, as I've done that, you can see it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. To save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. As you can see, I have created multiple folders for different kind of workflows. Now, we'll click on this create workflow option to create a new workflow. And as we've done that, you can see a dialog box is appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message from Google Sheets using Pabbly Chatflow automatically. After giving the name to my workflow, then I'm going to select the folder. So in which folder you want to save your workflow? As I told you, I have created multiple folders for different kind of workflows. The automation which I'm going to set up currently is related to WhatsApp marketing for my customers. So here I'm going to select WhatsApp marketing automations. Then I'm going to click on create. And as we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two windows. Here we have trigger and we have action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that as soon as I'm going to have a new row in my spreadsheet with the details of the customer, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that customer. Okay, and I want to send the WhatsApp message with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, I'm going to take Google Sheets in my trigger step and Pabbly Chatflow in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the row will be added in my spreadsheet with the data, then the message will be sent on WhatsApp to that customer with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we have to select our trigger application, and that will be Google Sheets. As we want that by using the data which we have in Google Sheets, we want to start our workflow. So Google Sheets will be our trigger application over here. Let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. On the happening of which event in your Google Sheets you want to start the workflow. So I want that when a new row will be added in my spreadsheet or when it will be updated, then automatically the response should be captured in my Pabbly Connect account. And with that response only instantly my workflow should start. So Google Sheets is our trigger application. Now the next thing which we have to do is we have to build the connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. So this is my spreadsheet with the name as customers data in which I have all the details of my customers, and by using these details only I want to send the messages to these customers. So for that you can see we have received a webhook URL and also we have received some instructions. So by following the given instructions step by step, we have to insert the webhook URL inside our Google Sheets, and as we will do that, then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from Google Sheets of new customers towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL, and do not worry, I am going to show you each and every step. So first of all, I will take you towards my Google Sheets. After coming over here, you can find the option of extensions from top. So let's select that. And over here, we have the option of add-ons. So when we'll click on this Get Add-ons button, it will take us towards Google Workspace Marketplace. So here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhook is the add-on, or we can say it is the extension which we have to install in Google Sheets to build the connection between our Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I've already installed the add-on successfully, so I'm just going to cross this. Once you will install the add-on for the very first time, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet. Then only you will be able to find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. Now, as I can see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, let's go towards initial setup. And we have to do an initial setup to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, in which we have to enter two details, webhook URL and the trigger column. So first of all, let's paste the webhook URL which we have already copied from Pabbly Connect, and then we have to enter the trigger column. Trigger column is the final data column in the spreadsheet on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent automatically to webhook URL. So you can see in my spreadsheet I have three columns, A, B and C. Column A is for name, column B is for email of the customer, and we have column C for the phone number. So it is very important that when a row will be added in my spreadsheet regarding the details of the customer, if it will be added up till the phone number, that is up till the C column, then only I want to capture the response in Pabbly Connect, because I want to send the WhatsApp message, so the number is important. Therefore, C will be my trigger column over here. In the similar manner, you can select the specific column on which if the data will be added, you want the entire row. So here C will be my trigger column. After entering them, now I'm going to click on send test. As we will do that, the test data of this first row, that is for demo customer, will be sent towards Pabbly Connect. So I have clicked on send test button, and here you can see that the test data is sent. So I'm going to click on submit now. As we have done that, the configuration is set up. So I'm going to cross this. We will move back towards Pabbly Connect, and you can see that we have received the response. In our response, we have received all the details of the second row, that is the first row we can say, in which we have the data. So we have the name over here as demo customer, we have the email as this, and we have the phone number. And you can see we have received same. Let's start reading them. First of all, you can see we have received the WhatsApp number of the customer. We have the trigger column which we have selected. Then we have the spreadsheet name. We have the spreadsheet ID. We have the sheet name, sheet ID, row index as well. That means the number of row for which we have received the response, number 2. So we have the row index as 2. We have the name of the customer as well as the email address. And all these details are exactly the same as we have in our spreadsheet. So this means our connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is built. But now I want that because I'm going to add a new row as well for new customers. So I want that as soon as I'm going to add a new row over here, the message should be sent to that person as well. So when I'm going to add a new row, I want that the data should be transferred towards Pabbly Connect automatically without any manual efforts. For that, I will have to go towards extensions, under which this time we have to click on send on event button. As soon as we have done that, we have made sure that now, as soon as a new row will be added apart from these details of the customers in my spreadsheet up till my trigger column, the entire row will be immediately sent towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, the data will be keep on sending. Now, after building this connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, our next objective is to send the WhatsApp message to a customer. So for sending this WhatsApp message, as I told you, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Before building the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, you have to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, you can see we have the option of add WhatsApp number over here. So first of all, you have to enter the access token, WhatsApp business account ID and phone number ID over here. You are going to receive all these details from your WhatsApp Cloud API account. For this, you have to generate your permanent access token, which you can learn very easily from the step-by-step tutorial which we have already created on our channel. You can find it in the I button as well. And over here, you will have the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So first of all, you will set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, and then you will receive the details from here and you will enter them over here. All right, then you will click on add. And if you want to learn this full setup, we have already created the video for that as well. All right. Because I've done that. So now we have to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? For that, first of all, let's go towards our action step. And let us select Pabbly Chatflow as our action application. Then we have to select the action event. So here we will select send curl request. This will help us to send the messages on WhatsApp to our customers. Now let's click on connect. For building this connection, you can see I am already logged into my Chatflow account. For building this connection, you can see I am already logged into my Chatflow account. Over here, we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new connection. For that, first of all, let's go towards add new connection. And here it is asking us for the token. To get this token, you can see we just have to follow the given instructions and we have to click on this hyperlink, which is going to take us towards the API key page. And here we have the API key. If you want to learn the full setup of Pabbly Chatflow and you want to know how you have to generate the token, for that we have already created the video. You can just go and watch from our channel, and also we are going to attach it on the I button. All right, now here we have the token, so I'm going to simply copy it. I will go back and I will paste it over here. Now after entering this, we'll simply click on save and you can see the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built. Now we have to enter the body. To enter the body, first of all, I will take you towards Chatflow and we'll go towards the template section. And here this is the template which I have created. And we have the option of add new template over here. So let's select that. And now we can create a new template like this. Over here, we have to select the category. So what is the category of your template? Let's say I'm going to select marketing. We have to provide the template name. Let's say the name of my template is new customers. Okay. Then you have to select the language by using which you want to send the message. So let's say I've selected English. What kind of template are you creating? Whether it is text, image, video, or document. So I'm going to select, let's say, text over here. If you want, you can also select image where you can enter the image URL. All right. Then here you will enter the text which you want in the header. Let's say like this. You will enter the format. That means the message which you want. Okay. And you will also use the variables over here. Variables help us to make the data dynamic. So wherever in my template, I'm going to use a variable like this. The detail of this place is automatically going to replace. So let's say I want name in the variable. So according to each and every customer's name, this name is going to replace. And in this way, we are going to send the personalized messages to each of our customer. That's why we have to use the variables in the template. I'm just showing you the example, but you can use as many variables as you want in your template. All right. Now, if you want, you can enter the template footer as well. If you want to add the interactive actions, you can add them as well. And then you will simply click on submit. As you will do that, your template will be sent for approval. And as soon as the template will be approved, then you will be able to use it. Now, because my template is already approved, so I'm going to link it with a broadcast. We have to go towards the broadcast. And here we have the option of add broadcast. So let's select that. And then you have to provide the type of campaign. So I'm going to select API campaign. Then you have to provide the name of your campaign. So let's say the name of my campaign is new Pabbly customers. Let's say just a random name. And then we have to select the template which we have to connect with the broadcast. So here I'm going to select new customers. That is the template. Okay. And here we have the preview of the message. Welcome to Pabbly. Hi, in the place of variable, we are going to have the name of the customer. Thank you for choosing Pabbly. We are thrilled to have you with us. Let us know if you need any assistance. We are here to help. All right, so this is the message. We have already linked the template with the broadcast. Now we are going to click on this add broadcast, and the broadcast is added with the name as new Pabbly customers. When I'm going to click on this test broadcast button, here you can see we have the curl URL. So we just have to copy it. And then in the field of body, we will paste the URL which we have copied from the broadcast. And now we just have to make some changes in this particular body. First of all, let's start with the destination. The destination of the message. Here we have to enter the receiver's phone number on which we want to send the message. And you know, we have already received the phone number as well as all other details of the customer already in our earlier response. So what we will do, instead of entering the data manually, we will simply map it directly. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. This is my previous step, and here I have the WhatsApp number. I'm going to select it and it is mapped. When we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So automatically with every new customer, this number is going to replace. Instead of this, if we will enter the data manually over here by typing, then it will become static and it is not going to replace. Therefore, the details which we want to replace with every new response, we have to map them. Okay, now in the username here, I'm going to simply map the name of my customer. That is demo customer. Then we have the first name and other details. So we have to enter the first name, but we have received the full name in our response. So we'll have to split the name so that we can map it. Let's click on this add action step button for that. And we have to select text formatter as our action application, which is the feature of Pabbly which helps us to format the text in the workflows according to our requirements. Then we have to select the action event that will be split text. Let's click on connect. The connection is built. Now it is asking us the text which you want to split. I want to split the name of my customer, so I will simply map it. And as I have mapped it, automatically it is going to replace. Then we have to use the separator. What is the value you want to use in order to separate this text or to separate the name? So I have the space in between the first name and last name, and I'm going to use the given space over here to split it. So I will simply copy the format of the space and I will paste it over here. Then we have to provide the segment. That what is the segment of this text you want? I want only the first name, so I will select first and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. I have received the first name, that is the name is split. So now I'm going to map it. And over here, I'm going to simply map the first name. And now I'm going to directly click on save and send test request button, and here we have received the response. And over here you can see that we have received the response. So it is saying that accepted. That means the message is sent on this number which we have mapped. So now I'm going to take you towards the inbox of my chat flow. So you can just simply manage your inbox of WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Chatflow only. We'll go towards inbox. And here you can see that the message is already sent to demo customer, and this is the message. Here we have bracket in place of first name, but when the message will be received to the customers on their WhatsApp, they will not see this bracket. They will only see the message. So in this way, you can just set up the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Chatflow to send automated WhatsApp messages to all your customers without any manual efforts, and that too in the personalized format. Here, after completing this automation, when I'm going to go towards extensions, we'll go towards Pabbly Connect webhooks, and when we will click on the send all data, automatically the messages will be sent to all these customers, to smart customer, dummy user, demo user, etc. And in this way, you can just sit and relax while all your messages will be sent to all the customers in their personalized format. And if you are going to add a new customer as well in this same spreadsheet, the message will be sent to that customer as well. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Pabbly Chatflow is really helpful for managing your business, managing the conversations with your customers, your leads, and to increase your sales. So thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.